if you're receiving an error stating that your device cannot be used. Don't worry, there are several solutions you can try to resolve the issue. The first step is to ensure you have the latest version of the cache app, as outdated versions may cause compatibility issues. To do this, open the App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates. Next, verify that your device meets the cache app's system requirements, as some older devices or operating systems may not be supported. Another possible solution is to clear the cache or data, as accumulated cache can interfere with the app's functionality. On Android devices, go to Settings, find the Cache app, and click on the Clear Cache and Clear Data buttons. For iOS devices, uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache and data. Additionally, you can try reinstalling the cache app by uninstalling the current version, restarting your device, and reinstalling it from the official App Store. It's also important to verify your network connection, ensuring you're connected to a stable internet connection, and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to determine if the issue is network related. If none of these solutions work, contact the Cache App's support team for assistance, as they can provide specific guidance and check if there are any restrictions on your account. By trying these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your device working properly again.